Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fire brigade Shillong.
Jingkynmaw bakandit jong Dr. John L. Sailo Ryntathiang haka step hangap jong singi balang ka khat santarik uyayong arjar arpo kalalong ka jingdo no ka bakraw ya ka jila baro hoi kamtam haka liang jong jing shakri lengba ka jing sumar ya ki bapang ki basyutam bon hi ki tip ya i kum u Dr. Sailo utrai jong ka Bethany Hospital ha Nongrim Hills Shillong u Dr. Sailo lapas ya ka kerdan MBBS na Assam Medical College Dibrugarh Bat pendep ya ke MD na All India Institute of Medical Sciences New Delhi. Bat haduk kini kisni syuabon klaro ula sumar penkot ya ki hajar ki nongpang tang dagi jingle bahas pun mensim jung u dagi ktien bajem not bat bajai jai. Ula nak senyang shigadai syaka imlang salang lengbagane kam ai jing sumar kaba omla ban siu keliang syu. Dr. John L. Sailo Ryntathiang hagarta kaba henri pukendai ula i no syadien ya i kurim ar ki khon ganthai bat ar ki khon chinrang ki persa bat ki ksiu haga jingklan no jong Dr. John Sailo kabai la yo kem yo COVID-19 ya kabala pun kho ya ka met kat kum ga jing patha jong ga World Health Organization haga sni palai jong ga yo ka khan riu tarik u ya yong arjar arpo how lum jing tep jong ga riat samthia Presbyterian Church laumali shibun ki jing sngolan ki latoi na kleng bat hang ni gidon katto kat ni ki balapan pau ka jing sngo jong ki ya ka jing do no ya ubreu ubla shakri klan tengkai por ya ka imlang ka salang
The sudden death of late Dr. John Sailo is a great shock to all the doctors' fraternity. Dr. Sailo was associated with me as a junior colleague for 5 years when he was working in Woodland Hospital, Shillong. During that time, Dr. Sailo is very meticulous in seeing the patient, in talking to the relatives of the patients, and he takes so much pain to explain to the patient and the relatives during his round in the ward and in the hospital. The loss of late Dr. Sailo is a great shock to all of us. And Dr. Sailo was also a very good academician. He used to participate in all the CME programs conducted by the hospital, and he was very sound in knowledge, and he speaks very soft spoken, and this loss of this great physician is a great loss to all of us. At the same time, I would like to express the grief and sorrow for the pain and the trauma that the relatives of Dr. Sailo they have passed through these last few days, and I wish that God will heal them in the coming days and weeks. With this, once again I pray that his soul will rest in peace.
The untimely and sudden demise of Dr. John L. Sailo Ryntathiang shook the world with grief. The whole medical fraternity in particular. It is a great loss to all. Meghalaya has lost a great son. I am inconsolable as he is like my elder brother, my friend, and my colleague. I was fortunate to have had a closely worked with him and associated with him professionally. He was a great entrepreneur and philanthropist. He excelled in many fields and possessed many great talents. He was a linguist, excelling in fluent in many languages. He was a great orator. He has great communication skills. He was soft-spoken and gentle and compassionate. He has helped the needy, the downtrodden and funded many needy students to complete their education. Dr. Sailo has excellent academic record, completed MD Medicine from prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIMS, New Delhi, and was awarded gold medal. He was also awarded FCCP, the Fellow of College of Chest Physicians, USA. I was amazed by his excellent clinical acumen and skills. Physician per excellent. Satisfied patients from all over Northeast flocked to him for medical care. He kept himself abreast with advances in medical science, without ignoring basic clinical skills. He was mentor to many young upcoming physicians who has worked with him. He is respected by his colleague who has very high regards for him. He was a good planner and has planned hospitals by himself. He is very hardworking and brilliant. He was a dedicated and caring father. My last close association with him was his plan and vision for Dr. Rebecca Hinpui, her bright youngest daughter, who had completed her postgraduate in radiology from Pune, and her dream and her keen interest in pursuing interventional radiology as a career. Words could not express enough our grief and loss.
With a heavy heart, I pay tribute to late Dr. John Sailo. He was a very, very good friend of mine, and I've known him for a very long time. In fact, his late mother and my late father worked closely for the welfare of the state. When I became the representative, I in turn got the opportunity to work closely with Dr. Sailo. I found him to be a man of vision, a man with a big heart, and a doer, not just a talker. I remember during those days there used to be frequent accidents on the highway, and one evening I happened to mention this to Dr. Sailo, and he said, let's come out with a mobile trauma unit. That year I put aside some funds, and he did his bit, and soon we were able to come out with the first mobile trauma unit for accident victims on the highway. The Bethany Hospital, both in Shillong as well as the one in Nongpo, are a testimony to his love and dedication for the people of the state in general, and particularly for the people of Khasi and Jaintia Hills. His passing away is a huge, huge loss to all of us. I pray that God may grant his soul eternal peace, and I pray that God may give solace to the family, and that he may give them the strength to overcome the coronavirus that they're battling. Go in peace, Doctor. We will meet again, Anna.
Kajingdo yung kajila yung kipaiba yung kathan wat kari ibarako i Dr. Sailo kamni kabakay pat natip scam pa mangi baro inang yay kemau bat ginsano kini kisngi banwan kitayo kidnai wat kisnamru namar bay Dr. Sailo kat kum mga ito kat kum mga lapoy banong mansim kum kum men kum parlok kum bahing di wi magirat ba pakan ni kajela kala siso i Dr. Sailo nga ikendo dingkong apa wanang kelung mal don kejing day bat i nakaliang jong i pa jonga nri kejing jan ba kejing day ba kham jan pat kalong hadin ba ngala sedang menteri akan ke kampung kubor hadin ba la don i sedang ke PCN pat nakapor sekapor julit pat interview i bat Jingkynmaw ba ilong nado hatu kapor bat hado kini gisngi ba hado jinglong ni gaklam kala long betik kumjo ilong accessible ikloy ban ye kendo ikloy ban ya pasat ya ka information kai ka bai tip man share information kai ka bai kwa ban kai ka bara ngadon ka jing kuli pangadon ikloy ban jubab lada ki long controversial ki jing kuli makanaru imju randin but imju persyang ban bure kai ru ka information na kamenta ka baha kamiat bar ka jing mento jung ipat ba tengah ngaso ba wat aduh mentawat langam don show ha ka PCN dengan nang trehi kene ka kam na ka por ngaju phone ni doktor kene ka longkum no kene ka di situation kene ka jingpang ki contraindications lada sumar ba ibon ki jingkeli ki ba ngakwa ko munong lum kubor pangantip di kloy ban jubab imju kenran sakawai ke benta mangan kenmau bat ngan songu sisa kalong ba abun ki kep ba kidon ki perlok watre ya kani ke kam dengi perlok nang tok kubor laki de makinik de ki bahing ne ki perlok ne ba shamjinge lese apo betni ban yo kamera ne kasnam ne ka khamsuki ne ki doktor kim poi hak por kat kum namar ba ka jinglong yung ki nong up ki bahing ki kwa bait pa ka jing sumar kan wan hangto ndre lese ki daw boper ki doktor ki nurse lese ki mla ndre da don ba phone ngaju phone ni na ka por nong doktor I don ita semua se petlem but hado mata empat judon kanun go sin ba I doktor hi in nong ba em ngam tep ye amla nre tang hadin sipang ngan yo phone hi kala naki ba phone ni nga ba nong lawan doktor la dep kotes kala biang bar kila judon ru kisin ba kidon ki parlok ngani kidon ki ba itu iba approach nga wanong ba ngiduna pisah kanyat pansiw penkerenam sila dala but labon ki kaya bangatip mga note pansaki by doktor omtang may penduna kila don kisin ru ba wat ida mapru ya ka jingsiw kumuniu briu kumuniu rongba kumuniu badade sisa ukrut jongkari bau lek kendit kensan un ini jendak kalau gege bakta yang hadu mentah kadang kata yang ngatip badang boni dang bon badang benut nomor bangidang rekam ke sakri komunil urang ba nginang rekam kum kini sakri kiba se try kerat langsung ibet menong one knock siya let masuk Dr. Sailo manong kredibig